Good evening, class 7, East West Model School. Today we'll start chapter 2 of chemistry, physical and chemical changes. Now, there are two types of changes basically. One is physical, other is chemical. Let us see. Introduction. Now, change is an important feature of nature. Nature e change ekta important feature. Boishishto. Changes always occur. Every moment several changes take place around us. Sob shomoy kichu kichu change kintu amader charidike hote thake. These changes are exciting and they generate in us the curiosity to know the reasons behind each of them. আর এই চেঞ্জেসগুলো কীভাবে কী হচ্ছে সেটা আমাদের জানার আগ্রহ, এই কিউরিওসিটি মানে একটা জিজ্ঞাসা আমাদের মধ্যে নিয়ে আসে যে কীভাবে হচ্ছে. Some common changes which we observe in nature and in our surroundings are changes of day and night, change of climate, rainfall, melting of ice, freezing of water. So these are some of the changes which we can see around us. But what happens to the substance when a change occurs in it? কি হয় যখন চেঞ্জ হয় তখন সেই তার মধ্যে কি চেঞ্জ হয়? So let us see. First example you can see, this is a raw mango, ripe mango. What is the change? There is a change in color and taste also. Raw mango is sour and green, ripe mango becomes sweet and color also changes to yellow. Similarly, when a sapling, ছোট চারা গাছ বড় হলে কি চেঞ্জ হয়? ডাল বেরিয়ে যায়, শেপ বড় চেঞ্জ হয়ে যায়, সাইজ চেঞ্জ হয়. Similarly, some other changes are also given. Right? So the hardness of the substance might also change when a change occurs. Hardness, শক্ত হয়ে যায়, তাই না? গাছ ছোট থেকে বড় যখন হয় আরো শক্ত হয়ে যায়. Number 5. Now there is a change in state also. Right now, water changes into ice. So from liquid to solid. So change in state, change in color, change in shape. Number 5, the earth revolves around the sun, which means the position of the sun with respect to the sun changes continuously with time. The revolve করে তার মানে আর্থের পজিশনটা চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে সব সময় টাইম হিসাবে. Now from the above examples it is clear that when changes take place, the substances may change their color, shape, size, hardness, state বা position. এই সমস্ত জিনিস চেঞ্জ হয়. Thus we see that almost all substances around us undergo changes. But while some changes are easy to detect, মানে বোঝা বুঝতে সুবিধা, others are too small to be noticed. Some of these changes are useful to us while others are not. We always try to ensure that useful changes should take place faster, while the harmful changes should stop or they should rarely happen. আমরা সবসময় চাই যেগুলো আমাদের জন্য ভালো সেই চেঞ্জেসগুলো হয় এবং তাড়াতাড়ি হোক, আর যেগুলো ক্ষতিকারক সেটা যেন না হয় বা আস্তে আস্তে হয় বা বলতে গেলে না হয়. We should remember that there is always a reason, মানে কোনো একটা কারণ, some cause behind every change. প্রত্যেকটা চেঞ্জের পিছনে কোনো একটা কারণ থাকে. Since most of the changes are different in nature, we need to classify them and study them accordingly. আলাদা থাকে. Now there are some types of changes. Slow changes and fast changes. The changes that take longer time to complete are called slow changes, and these changes may take hours, days, months or even years to occur. Example, a young man growing old, it takes a few years. Evaporation of water from a lake through continuous take hours. Some rusting of iron, tooth decay. So these take time. The changes that take place in very short interval of time are called fast changes. For example, when a piece of paper is lit মানে জ্বালানো হয়, immediately catches fire and changes into black ash, and the smoke released is lost into the air. এবং ছাই হয়ে যায়, ধোঁয়াটা আকাশে চলে যায় বা অ্যাটমসফিয়ারে মিশে যায়. Bursting of an inflated balloon, this is also a quick change, right? Now, natural and man-made changes. Some of the changes takes place in nature by itself and they are never ending. আপনি আপনি হয়, কোনোদিন শেষ হয় না. Such changes are called natural changes. The formation of coal from dead and decaying plants is a natural change. Some more examples are given. Change of day and night, change of seasons, earthquakes, growth of all organisms. So any change that occurs due to the efforts of human beings is called a man-made change. So these were natural changes which happen on their own and they never end. And some changes occur due to efforts of human beings. Manusher chestate. They are called man-made changes. Formation of steel from raw iron. Loha theke steel banacchi. Making a kite from a piece of paper. And some more are given. Now, periodic and non-periodic changes. Changes that are repeated at regular intervals of time are called periodic. যেটা ঠিক এক সময় পর পর repeat হতে থাকে. They are called periodic changes. All these changes occur after a fixed time period. And when they are bound to take place. Bound মানে তারা হতেই হবে. For example, change of day and night ভাই মোটামুটি একই সময় পর পর দিন হয় রাত হয়. Change of season, summer, winter and spring, full moon and new moon nights. Alright. Now, changes that are not repeated at regular intervals and occur irregularly, ওদের কোনো time ঠিক নাই, are called non-periodic changes. These changes can occur at any time and they do not have any periodicity. Periodicity মানে কোনো time fix থাকে না. Landslides, earthquakes, power breakdown, flood. These are non-periodic. An epidemic, a sudden shower of rain, a dust storm, thunder and lightning are also other examples of non-periodic changes. আজকে এতটাই রাখছি, কালকে এখান থেকে স্টার্ট করব. Thank you very much.